Just left the house. Finally got the bikes and everything in the van. I got, according to Waze, I got a 10-hour and 11 trip ahead of me. So I'll bring you guys along. Let's get this trip started.
Riding down a YouTube channel, it's the riding down a YouTube channel, it's the riding down a YouTube channel, it's the riding down a Alright, so we started her off right with the first day, first ride being straight to the Tail of the Dragon. If you want to see my full unedited run, go ahead and check out the top right. I'll put a card in there and it'll link straight to my unedited run of the Tail of the Dragon. After we did the tail about 3 times, we went ahead and took the Charala Skyway, and as you can see, it started to rain and it got worse and worse. Here's where we pull over and debate for about 15 or 20 minutes if we want to go back towards the way we came and do the tail one last time in the rain to go back, or if we want to just keep going in this terrible rain and fog because it was so bad and it got fairly dangerous being that we could barely see 10 feet in front of us with this thick fog and rain. Second day, we got to do some more scenic routes on the Blue Ridge Parkway, and this road is extremely beautiful. The GoPro footage by far does not do it justice. It is a very nice cruise with a little bit of twisties thrown in there, but you're really looking to ride this for just the view and the sheer enjoyment of riding. Later on that day, we headed to a road that was only about 10 minutes away from the cabin. It was called Bryson City Road, and I actually wound up taking this road from Florida to the cabin in the van, which was not fun at all, but on the bikes, very fun, 2 thumbs up. all in all, this was an amazing trip, amazing riding, and definitely makes me depressed that I live in Florida and I have a motorcycle, because nothing beats taking this bike through the twisties, and I had an absolute blast.
Alright, so I'm finally on the road back. It's been a very nice 3 days. Unfortunately, the last day of the trip, it was raining and crappy all day, so I didn't get to take the bike anywhere, but still had a very good time with their whole family. So, driving home to Florida, not very happy about it. I am excited and happy to see my wife and child again, but I am not excited to go back to Florida. I wish I could just bring them here and we can move here, but it's not in the cards right now. So, very fun. Unfortunately, got stuck in the rain after the Tail of Dragon. The morning of that day, whole first afternoon half was incredible riding. Very great weather, perfect weather, especially compared to what I'm used to in Florida. And then unfortunately, the end of that, one of the roads we took was kind of up a mountain. Just incredible fog, terrible rain almost the entire rest of the day, and we didn't bring rain gear, and even if we did, we got stuck in it. We wouldn't have really had a chance to put it on. It would have been reactive just to try to stay warm at the end of it. So good story though, good story to have, and it's a good experience to have. I will be posting lots of reviews now that I've had a chance to actually put decent miles on the bike, not only to test the stuff on the bike, but also of all the stuff that I use now on my gear. I've gotten some new gear from my old videos that you might have seen me wearing, so I'm excited to share my opinion with you guys on that, because that stuff is very good, and 100% I would recommend everything I have. So please subscribe if you are curious in the future. And I do plan on taking trips like this every so often, not as frequent as I would like to, because I have a kid and a wife at home, and unfortunately they're unable to come on these type of trips with me. But maybe when the kid and new kid get old enough to the point where they are able to ride on the back of bikes, maybe me and my wife will start taking more trips on bikes, and I'll get her a bike. Anyway, if you're curious to see all that and you want to see my reviews and everything like that, or if you like my content, please hit the subscribe button, because it really does help. Go ahead and hit the like button on this video, because it helps this video and the channel in general. And stay tuned to see the rest of the videos. And I have a 10-hour drive ahead of me, so I'm going to put some music on, grab a cup of coffee in a little bit, and go see my wife and my kid. Until next time, guys, ride safe, have fun, Dad out.